So you try to live a life where you don't regret shit. Moving rocks to the top of a mountain just to throw 'em back down. And when you get knocked down, pull your ass back up. Life's tough, but that ain't no reason for cheating. Fake freedom, keeping them heaters tucked in your tool belt. If you really wanna be rough, figure out how to squash pride. Even the punch can give you jail time. That's why I studied up how to live life between the lines till Armageddon comes. If it does scratch that verse, I will have guns, Mad Max and motherfuckers till the spaceship comes. Why? 'Cause I'm alive till I die. Hands in the sky 'cause I'm just so high. Drink beers. Why? 'Cause I'm alive till I die. Life's too long, give the kids a couple years, get them high. Why? 'Cause they're alive till they die. They never gonna live if you never let them try, get them high. Why? 'Cause you always tell them lies up because something stupid and we say it till it's dry. When the sun goes down and the girlies get dressed up, I'm dressed down with my homies getting messed up. Pre-game, pre-fame, so we drink shit beer, but I guarantee you gonna hear about us this year. 6 white boys trying to make noise with enough street cred that we can sleep with toys. I'm not Mike D or Ad Rock, but while they say to bet we can be a hip-hop, like my name is Frank White. My guttural noises have got you saying that's tight. I slap a hater like my name is Bob Knight, and with a hand this big you'll be saying good night to the Dicks, O'Reilly and Imus. Hip-hop lives and you'll never outshine us. Flip-flop kids with the hookahs and binders, Backstreet Peeps and the D-boys like us. That's a cool group and we're a sweet team, and if you really like us you should join the street team. All you gotta do is send me an email with a poorly drawn picture of a naked female and you're in. Why? 'Cause I'm alive